you?
Hey, Woody.
What are you doing up here? I thought Mom took you to get your squeaker fixed months ago. Andy was so upset.
Nah, she just told him that to calm him down. And then put me on the shelf.
Well, why didn't you yell for help?
Well, I tried squeaking, but I'm still broken. No one could hear me. Besides, the dust aggravates my condition. What's the point in prolonging the inevitable? We're all just one stitch away from here to there.
I'm gonna get you!
Swim for your life!
You're gonna regret the day you became...
Look who's stuck in the porthole.
Huh?
You still hungry, big guy? Well, say hello to my little friends.
Come on, Lino. Time to clean up your act.
Bless you, Woody.
Thank you for coming to Whale Wash.
Yeah, you can help take his paws off my pal.
50 cents for all this junk.
Oh, now, how did this get down?
Enter the sheriff. Nice and easy.
There, $5.
No, it's an old family.
Now just one way.
Wait,
The other way.
I'll give you $50 for it.
$50 ain't bad.
It's not for sale.
Everything's for sale or trade. You like my watch? Sorry.
He's safe.
Way to go, Andy's mouth!
All right, she showed him.
Molly, don't touch that.
Yeah, go home, Mr. Fancy Car.
Hold on.
What's up?
What is it, Buzz?
Molly, up right there, sweetie.
What's happening down there?
What's he doing?
I can't watch. Can someone cover my eyes?
No, he's stealing Woody.
What?
Wait, what are you doing? Where's he going?
Do something.
Get him, Buzz.